Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change clock style on lock screen on your Google Pixel 10. So to change the clock, so this is the clock on the lock screen. If you want for it to look different, if you want it to have a different style, you can do that by holding on the lock screen, then pressing the customize lock screen button on the bottom, then just unlocking it, and it's going to take you to the wallpaper and style section. So now if you scroll down, make sure to select the lock screen first, scroll down to clock, press on it, and here you can select a few options. So you can customize them. You can do like the width, you can do colors, you can do size, like this, change it to different colors, and then once you're done, press apply, and now your options are saved. So if we go to the lock screen, you can see that the clock is now changed. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.